Is it really a video of mine if I don't lose my brush at least once? Hey y'all, what's up? So this is the second Pride video. So if you didn't know, I'm doing like a Pride series for the last week-ish of June because it's Pride Month, why not? That's it. Hope you guys enjoy, and let's get into part 2 of Pride makeup. I wasn't filming.
I mean, there's so many foundations that look great.
So, I was dumb and didn't record me doing the red or the orange, but basically, take a red and an orange and put it on your lid. Continuing. And then just try to blend them together as best as you can. Moving on to yellow. Blend it in with the orange. Go on to the green on the other eye. And what I did here is I took a turquoise shade so it would blend easier with the blue. Put on the blue, which I love that blue by the way, it's so pretty. Dust off the fallout. Blend it all together, and then finally add your purple. And then I'm taking a liner brush and putting the red and the purple on it and just winging it out, and then blending all the shades together one last time to make sure they're nice and seamless. Now I'm taking the Makeup Revolution concealer and I'm carving out like a wing shape. It's like a cut crease, but like reverse, I guess. I don't really know how to describe it. It's like a giant wing of rainbows. Sharpening up that wing. Now I'm going underneath my eye with all the colors that I used on the top and just doing the same thing, blending them all together, making it look seamless. Now I'm taking the NYX liner, I don't remember the name, and an e.l.f. black lipstick. You could use any lipstick, or any black lipstick, or you could use whatever shade you want. I have a Wet n Wild one that I would have preferred, but it was upstairs and I didn't want to get it, so I used an e.l.f. one. Putting on lashes. And you could totally do winged liner with this too, I just didn't want to. Doing my mascara, Maybelline Lash Sensational. And not stabbing myself in the eye this time. And that's all, bye! So that is my rainbow look. This is the G in LGBT. I hope you know what it stands for. I love y'all, and I want you to go out there and live your gay lives. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one.
And I'm like, never thought it hurt so bad.